Hello, if you have a Dyson hair dryer, this video is for you. So, if you know, you have a Dyson, sometimes when you turn it on, it shuts off on its own after like a few seconds sometimes or a few minutes. It was like frustrating in the beginning not knowing why it's doing that, because this is like really expensive, right? So, I found out that the problem is with the filter. It collects dust and then it gets clogged and then it shuts off. I honestly started cleaning it, but then I decided to make a video, so I'm gonna show you my trick. So what I did is I brought like, a paper towel, then rubbing alcohol like that. Don't drink it, of course. Then kind of douse the paper towel with the alcohol. I did it. Kind of like, give like, gently. Look how clean. I mean, it's not perfect, but way better. I can spend more time on it. Then close her up. Now, so working. Comment down below. Let me know if this was helpful or not. And thank you. Bye.